Hello, welcome my friend. The EWA for iPhone 15 Pro Max phone case is a high-performance protective case designed specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It offers a range of features and functionalities to enhance your phone experience while providing reliable drop protection. Available in a sleek black color, this case is compatible with Magsafe technology, ensuring seamless compatibility with Magsafe accessories. Performance protection. The case is constructed with soft TPU material, strategically reinforced at the top, bottom, and corners to safeguard the most vulnerable areas of your iPhone. With cleverly enhanced 1.5mm screen lips and 2.5mm camera bezels, this case provides reliable protection against drops and impacts, while maintaining a comfortable grip. All-in-one ring. The MagOne case features an integrated second-generation grip and stand. The strap has been upgraded to liquid silicone with a finger-friendly coating, ensuring a comfortable and secure finger grip. The stand hinge is tighter and more stable, allowing the case to act as a horizontal or vertical stand. This versatile stand provides multiple viewing angles for various situations, making it convenient for media consumption, hands-free video calls, or reading. Dual magnet backsnap. With the additional dual built-in strong magnet backsnap, this case offers a hands-free experience by allowing your iPhone to adhere to any steel surface. Whether it's your fridge, car hood, gym equipment, or even bionic arms, you can transform your phone into a helpful companion during exercise, bath time, cooking, and more. The magnets provide a secure hold, ensuring your iPhone stays in place. Rugged drop protection. Designed to withstand accidental drops and impacts, the EWA case prioritizes the protection of your iPhone. Its rugged construction, combined with the reinforced corners and screen lips, offers reliable drop protection, preserving the integrity of your device even in challenging situations. In summary, the EWA for iPhone 15 Pro Max phone case is a versatile and protective accessory that combines drop protection with functional features. With its soft TPU construction, integrated grip and stand, and dual magnet backsnap, this case offers a comprehensive solution for enhancing your iPhone experience while keeping it safe and secure. Available in a sleek black color, it complements the design of your iPhone 15 Pro Max.